Is a tough job for the liver to keep the cleaning function of the body always in smooth operation, especially with the present-day unhealthy eating and drinking habits of people. And, like any other machines, it encounters malfunctioning that needs immediate troubleshooting. But unlike other machines that need only oiling to run again, the liver has to be looked upon very carefully or the entire system will suffer if it does not function very well. In youth, you might not notice the effects of malfunctioning liver. But when you reach middle and advanced age, you will discover that a lot of sicknesses are being caused by a malfunctioning liver. The symptoms of a damaged liver are dull aching pain in the right side of the stomach area, often under the shoulder blade, terrible pain at the nape, rough tongue, unpleasant taste in the mouth in the morning, and the appearance of yellowish color in the whites of the eyes. Other than those, a person with a troubled liver would also frequently feel loss of appetite, dizziness and drowsiness after meals. With these indications of ailments, the person is often irritated and weak, which could affect his entire outlook in life. And this could lead to fast deterioration of the body. Growing old would then become a burden. But you can do something to prevent that misfortune from happening to you. Aging doesn't have to bring about all sorts of diseases. It is not a reason that because you are getting old, you are expected to feel all kinds of sickness. There are times when you regret why you never heeded the advice to you before and why you never paid enough attention to your health when you were younger. Instead of dwelling on those regrets, why don't you try doing something to alleviate that condition? No matter at what age you will decide to do so, it is never too late. Sanford Bennett, a phenomenal celebrity for bodily rejuvenation through natural methods, has proven so. In his campaign for total health rejuvenation, Sanford Bennett devised a program of exercise for the liver to keep it in a fine condition. The liver, being a gland, would respond well when exercised. And an exercise involving tension of the abdominal muscles will benefit the liver along with some massaging techniques. But of course, before doing the exercise, one must be familiar with the position and the structure of his own liver. First, exercise. There are 3 exercises Sanford Bennett described for the liver. Feel the location of your liver with the fingers of both hands as you lie on your back. Press the fingers upward past the ribs. The liver can be easily moved and tensed because the abdominal muscles are in relaxed state. Create pressing movements under and upwards. Do this 20 times and increasing daily until you reach 100 or until your condition permits. This tensing exercise is comparable to the effect you get when you ride a horse. This is an exercise frequently prescribed by physicians when the liver is not in good condition. Second exercise. Lie on your right side and place your left hand over the area of your liver. Position yourself with the head slightly inclined forward and with the knees bent. This will relax the abdominal muscles and place the liver forward. With your knuckle of the thumb or the pad of a finger, press well under the ribs and massage the liver. Third exercise, percussion. Light thumping of the liver will also help in the healthy activity of the liver. Lie on your left side, which inclines the liver forward and the muscles relaxed. With your right fist, strike lightly but rapidly on the area. Begin with 20 strikes and increase daily up to how many your condition permits. When the liver is properly taken care of, the whole body system is guaranteed to be in a good condition. And when you pay equal attention to all the parts of your body, there is no need to worry about your health failing. Take care of your body. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe and press the notification on for updates. Kindly support our channel and watch our next videos. Thank you for watching.